Good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Center. So, today we are going to see a question which is very important. Let's see what is that question. If f is a function of bounded variation and its derivative exists on closed interval AB, the question is that a derivative function is also function of bounded variation. So, answer is no. Okay, answer is no, because you take this function. Fx is equal to x cube sine pi upon x on open interval 0, 1 close, and 0 if x is equal to 0. Okay. So alpha is equal to 3 is here, that is, and beta is 1. So alpha is greater than beta. F is function of bounded variation. Okay. So F is function. What is derivative of F? 3x square sine pi upon x minus pi x cos pi upon x. Okay. X belongs to open 0, 1 close interval, and 0 if x is equal to 0. So f dash exists on close interval 0, 1. So gx is equal to 3x square sine pi upon x if x belongs to 0, 1 close. Okay. And 0 if x is equal to 0. Now alpha is 2 here, because alpha is 2 here, beta is 1. It is a 3 constant multiple, so it will not affect anything. So alpha is greater than beta. G is also function of bounded variation. Okay. Now fx we are taking pi x cos pi upon x. X belongs to 0, 1 close. Okay. X is equal, and at x is equal to 0, function is 0. Alpha is equal to beta, so h is not function of bounded variation. Okay. And we have f dash is nothing but difference of g minus h. It means f dash is difference of g and h. It means f dash is g minus h. And g is function of bounded variation, and h is not function of bounded variation of closed interval 0, 1. Okay. So f dash cannot be function of bounded variation, because if f dash is function of bounded variation, I will take g left hand side, then minus h will be also function of bounded variation. So multiplying minus h by minus 1, so it will be h function. That will be also function of bounded variation, but it is a contradiction, because h is not function of bounded variation. Or in another way, you can use the fact that if you have a function of bounded variation, one function you have function of bounded variation, another you have that is not function of bounded variation. There are difference, and some will not be function of bounded variation. That is why f dash is not function of bounded variation. Okay. So f dash is not function of bounded variation on closed interval 0, 1. So we have an example of a function which is function of bounded variation, whose derivative exists, but f dash is not function of bounded variation. So if f is function of bounded variation, its derivative need not be function of bounded variation. Okay. So today's question up to this. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. So thank you very much for today's question. We will see you in next question.